Hi guys, good morning. It is June 30th. Why do I keep saying it's June 30th? It's not June 30th. Today is June 26th, and I'm really excited. I'm so sorry about the lighting, by the way, because I'm driving and I can't control Mother Nature, okay? It is the last day of school for me, and I am so happy about that because this is the first summer that I'm actually going to take off, so I'm going to have a good 2 months off of work, which is freaking amazing. The reason why I decided to take off though is because I really wanted to have a sane summer. Sometimes you just need to take a step away from what you're doing, and that's something that I have learned. So I'm taking a step away from work, and I really just want to focus on YouTube. I want to focus on my marriage. I just got married and it's going great, but I mean, how awesome would it be to spend more time together and just have that extra time to focus on each other? So I really just want to enjoy my husband, enjoy our honeymoon, which is coming up next month, and we're going to be going somewhere awesome. So I'll probably talk about that a little bit more in another video, but I'm really excited about that. I have my other family vacation. My family and I, we always go to Wildwood every year together. So yeah, we have a couple of things going on this summer, a couple of little fun events, and I just really wanted to have my mind free and clear. I also really wanted to start amping up my workout routine, and by amping up I mean starting, because my ass is not in the gym right now. I've really been on and off with it. I'm sorry about the shaky camera. I promise that's another thing I will do this summer. I will get another mount. I promise. Let me get on the road, people. Hold on. I'm merging. I used to take it very seriously for literally 7 years in a row. I would go work out and it would literally be like clockwork, 4 days a week at least. And if it wasn't 5 days a week, I was battering myself. So I really just have to get back into it. So I am going to start today, since it's a Monday. I always have to start on a Monday. And my eating is pretty decent, actually. I could clean it up a little bit, but I mean, it's pretty fine. It's just the working out aspect, and I have no energy lately, so I have to stay on top of taking my vitamins and working out. So we have a lot to do this summer, you guys. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I'm trying to post more pictures of makeup looks that I've been trying. I am one that when I watch makeup videos, I always look for the crazy tutorials that have a lot of color, glitter, cut crease. I love that stuff. However, when I do my makeup, whoa, I'm hitting puberty this morning. When I do my makeup, I never do those things. I don't think I've ever incorporated actual glitter that you have to use a glitter glue for. I've never done that in my makeup. Isn't that freaking crazy? I have never done that. Because I think I'm just afraid to step outside of my comfort zone. But that is what makes you great. It's just trying new things. So lately, this weekend was Pride weekend, so happy Pride to all of you out there. But I decided to play around with some color in my eyeshadow because I was going to a Pride party. So I did it, and I will throw up the picture. I think I have an enlarged picture of just the eye makeup, and it's nothing crazy or anything, but it's it was a lot for me, and it actually came out decent. I did it again the next day because I had a family birthday barbecue to go to, except I kind of switched up the colors. So I've really been enjoying color lately, so I think I might try doing a tutorial just for a summer fun sunset eyeshadow. Let me know what you guys think. If there's certain colors you guys want me to do, or themes you want me to cover, let me know, because I am so down and actually ready to try doing more tutorials, because that's definitely not my thing on my channel. Of course, I love talking about beauty and lifestyle stuff, but I do enjoy tutorials and I do want to do more of them. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm on my way to work right now. So yeah, later on when I get out of work, I think I might have some errands to run. So I'll try to take you guys with me. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock right now. As soon as I got out of work, well, when I got to work, it was my last day of school, like I told you before, and I basically have to give over my keys and everything to the teacher who's going to be taking over for me in the summer. and I switched my purse this weekend and I totally forgot my keys in my other purse. So I just met up with the other teacher so I can go give them my keys. Luckily, they don't live that far from me. So I had to do that. I had to go get an oil change because my light came on. I totally forgot to vlog because I've been like running around. And now I stopped off at Starbucks to go get a bagel because I'm starving and I still have to go to ShopRite. And I ordered an everything bagel because I never go to Starbucks. I'm so used to going to Dunkin' Donuts. And you can get pretty much any bagel there and it's vegan. I think pretty much all of them, except for like, I think they have like an egg bagel or whatever. So after I ordered my everything bagel, I opened it up and I realized it had cheese on it. So then I had to swing back around because apparently they only have like 4 bagels in Starbucks that are vegan. So I'm devouring this one right now. Got a little bit of my vegan mayo. No, I don't carry it around in my car. I had it at work and I'm the only one that eats it, so I had to bring it home for the summer. Thank God, because this is hitting the spot right now. I am going to go into ShopRite and get like a couple things and then I have to go home. So I'll see you guys probably another day. Maybe tomorrow. Bye guys. Hey guys. Today is the next day. It is now Tuesday. Why is that back there? Let me hide that so it can look like I have my life together. So I just got back from the beach, which is why I look kind of crazy. I just jumped in the shower and threw my hair up, so I look kind of like crazy. But right now I'm sitting at the house and I am about to eat some din din. What is wrong with me? I've become one of those people that use like abbreviations. That's not cool. I'm just about to watch a Netflix movie and dinner, but I am so excited because it's literally only not even 24 hours. Actually, it has been 24 hours since I left work and now I am officially on vacation. And I already feel like my mind is in a great place. I'm already coming up with video ideas that I want to do and I'm going to start executing them this week. So I'm really excited about it. And I want to start doing other things like stuff with my hair, get actual nails done. These are actually like press-on nails. They actually look legit. So I'll insert a picture of the brand that I bought. I think I picked it up at CVS. So it's actually a pretty good brand. And the glue that it comes with is phenomenal. Usually the glue is like cheap and you have to get a better glue for the nails to actually stay. This glue is no joke. So definitely check these nails out. I think they were like $8 or $9 and they look real. Right now I am just venting, I guess, in a good way to you guys. I am going to close out the vlog here though because I don't want to get like too long. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe if you haven't already. It should be down here. I believe it's over here. I think it's there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.